Okay, good morning guys. Magluto na pud ta og chicken liver igado. So mao ni atong mga ingredients guys. Okay, the liver, carrots and potatoes, bay leaf and paminta, and then peas, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and then salt if we need it, and then garlic, onions, ginger, and bell pepper, and spring onion. Guys, so we're gonna saute the garlic. The onions. Then the ginger. Spring onions. And then the bell pepper. Smells good guys. Okay, next, patatas guys. Chicken liver ni guys. And then the pamna. So ato ni ko nang bili pa. Soy sauce. And then oyster sauce guys. And then with a second, I'm gonna add all with seasoning. Okay, and then we're gonna simmer this one first, guys. So we're gonna cover first for a few minutes, okay? Chicken liver igado is already cooked, so I'm going to. By the way, hindi ko siya nilagyan ng water. There's still a little water from the liver, and then the soy sauce like that. So need salt. Just a little, a pinch of salt only. Okay guys, look at that one. It's already cooked guys. Okay, so I will try to taste again. It's good already. Okay guys, so this is our chicken liver igado is done. Look at that one, it's super yummy. And then I will taste just a little liver. Okay, and I'm going to put it here. Guys, it's yummy guys. So that's our chicken liver igado is done. Okay, I'm gonna off the heat now. Okay guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel D Bro Jack, to my Instagram D_Bro_Jack, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.